Hello friends, in today's video we are going to understand what is Iron Dome, what is the technology behind this Iron Dome, how it is helping Israel from terrorist attack, how effective this Iron Dome is. We are going to understand all these things in this video. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. So in the recent conflict between Israel as well as Palestine, both sides have gone for airstrikes and rocket attack. And Tuesday evening you might have seen in the social media that some rockets have been fired from Gaza being interrupted by Israel's Iron Dome air defense system, right? It appeared that the rockets were hitting an invisible shield. So what is this Iron Dome? So Israel's Iron Dome is an air defense system which has been developed by Rafael. So which was put into service in 2011. So it is designed to stop short range rockets and artillery like those which are fired from Gaza as well as Lebanon. To be precise to you guys, it is a short range ground to air defense system that includes a radar as well as Tamir interceptor missiles that track and neutralize any rockets or missiles aimed at Israel targets, whether it may be a populated area as well as important infrastructures. Two separate systems known as David Sling as well as Arrow are designed for medium and long range threats. Iron Dome relies on a system of radar and analyze to determine whether an incoming rocket is a threat or not, firing an interceptor only if the incoming rocket risks hitting a populated area or an important infrastructure. The interceptor which are fired vertically either from mobile units or it can be a launch site. So this Iron Dome can be moved from one place to other place, or it can be a static also, are designed to detonate the incoming rocket in the air, producing the explosion in the sky, and which will going to give a siren, okay, for incoming rockets or missiles. The system is comparatively of low cost because it fires only on threats to human life or infrastructure. So which has been funded by US also in the initial days, but Israel has retained all the technology. But till today 55% of the units have been manufactured in the US. The Iron Dome has three main systems. First one is radar, the second one is BMC. So BMC means battle management weapon control system, and a missile firing unit. The BMC usually lies in between radar as well as interceptor missile. So it is capable of using in all weather condition. So whether it may be in rainy season also, it may be in summer season also, whatever the weather condition, it can be used in any weather condition either in day as well as night. The interceptor are designed to detonate the incoming rocket in the air, and the system has achieved 90% of the effectiveness. This is what the expert says. How successful is it stopping the attacks? So this is what the question arises in front of us, right? The Iron Dome consists of 3 to 4 stationary launchers with a combined 20 Tamir missiles and a battlefield radar system. According to its creators, Rafael, each battery can protect around 60 square miles, means for 80 kilometers, whatever may be the threat missiles or rocket, so it can detonate all those rockets as well as missiles. So Israel officials and defense companies says that till date, so it has been detonated or avoided almost 2000 missiles as well as rockets. So this is what the defense system of Israel has been saying, and it is also saying that the effectiveness or accuracy is 90%, but the expert says the accuracy is 80%, whatever, but this is a new technology for the world, so it can bring the revolution to the missile technology. So thank you for watching Siddhaganga Academy YouTube channel. Please subscribe to Siddhaganga Academy YouTube channel. Thank you.